They said Oprah does not live on this island, never has.
Never has?
Never has.
So that was just,
That was a rumor?
It's a legend. Yeah.
But she has come and stayed here.
well, they've got pictures of her with her herd going down.
Well,
Wall Street.
that's what she said. She said, oh, she just stayed there. Isn't it funny how things get
Yeah.
started like that?
I never have met her down here.
I've never seen a celebrity here. I fly all the time and I've never seen a damn celebrity in the
Captain Tony.
airport. Yeah.
They take private planes.
Captain Tony's dead.
I know a lot of people that have flown once or twice and seen celebrities in here.
Yeah, but 99% of the time I think they take private jets or something, you know.
What was it? Did y'all hear Lee talking about working on Oprah's plane?
But what?
Lee, Sandy, he's a mechanic for jet mechanic.
Oh, yeah?
Said that she had 2 seats with their poodles' names, a white, made out of white leather, and with the poodles' names on their jet.
Now who's that?
Oprah.
Oh, yeah. She's got little black dogs. Does she have white poodles too?
Well, these
No
the
tell.
seats were white,
Oh, the seats are white. Yeah, she's
with their
got
names embroidered
Yeah,
in the
she's
seats.
got those little black dogs like George Bush.
Well, they look
We
real
call
good
those
in white,
dogs.
I guess, with
Yeah,
white
I guess so.
backs.
It's some kind of spaniel. It's a spring, it's not a
Springer?
Not a Springer spaniel, it's something else.
Cocker spaniel?
He worked on all kinds of celebrity
It's one of those
planes.
$5 ones, you don't hardly ever see them.
I wonder what kind of plane she had, like a 707 or something?
Oh, no, not that big.
Not big, Learjet type?
Yeah.
You used to, you could get you could charter
Is that
one of
about the
those.
size of the ship?
You could hold about 12, 14 people for $10,000
That's bigger?
plus so much an hour for the fuel or the captain or, you know.
Yeah, Buzz would probably give you a bargain
Man,
on his.
well, we could have just on one of those. No, they get there fast. You know, you ain't like going into all these airports.
It's a lot cheaper, and you still get there pretty fast.
Is it a jet?
Turbo
I wonder why they
Turbo
don't do
jet.
something with that little island.
Well, they're
Really,
fighting,
I mean, they had
they're
to
fighting
make
over
this
it right
island.
now. They're trying to make it a part of that damn environmental thing.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Protect